Hi, it's nice to see you again in my new video. In this tricky behind-the-scenes movie series, I'm gonna show you the complete shooting process behind this shot. I was enjoying my lunch and I think that will be a very interesting subject for your 360 photography, and I vlog all the details about the orientation, the viewpoint, and everything I was thinking about. In this video, I'm gonna share with you all details in the shooting process. My name is Yuqing Guo, a 360 photography lover and specialized in one-shot 360 photography. If you want to start over and master your one-shot 360 camera beyond professional, this channel was made for you. Okay, let me run this movie for you. Hello everyone, I'm going to enjoy my lunch, but today I want to take a 360 shot, very high quality 360 shot with QooCam 8K. Now, I will show you my whole setup. Oh, it's my camera. Mini tripod, Bushman Monopod V2, QooCam 8K. And I want to shoot in this orientation, like this, so that I can enjoy my food. The viewpoint will be just located in between the food and my mouth. That will give you a very interesting, immersive experience. Now you can see that my viewpoint. I put my camera on the top of the food. Stay really close. You can see 10 centimeters, but everything will be in focus. Now I can eat the food like this. And I put the camera like in this orientation, put it horizontally, but to use the mini tripod, use the selfie stick as a counterweight. And put the camera in that place all the way up to the top of my food. So, and the most interesting about the QooCam 8K is you can change all the settings on the multi-touch screen on the camera, so you don't have to use the app. That's very interesting. Now I recommend, you can see the line preview, and I will choose to DNG8 auto exposure. Auto exposure will be fine. There you can see my position. I choose a 5-second countdown to make sure that everything is stable. Okay, now I'm gonna use this viewpoint to capture this shot, and I'm not using my cell phone anymore. Oops! I'm not gonna use my cell phone. I only use the QooCam 8K. Okay, let's press the shutter button. Yeah. Press first top. Take a second shot. And take a third shot, because shooting DNG8 with QooCam 8K is really fast. Huh? Take another one. Okay. Oh, good. And just now I have made an extra shot because I want to wipe out the vlogging camera in this scenario. So if you want to know how to get rid of the different objects, you can refer to my QooCam 8K composite photography tutorial. I will link this here. Okay. And yeah, that is how I will take this very interesting panorama with QooCam 8K. And some very simple setup, so that everyone can capture your own style with the same setup with your own 360 cameras. the key part for the one-shot 360 photography is actually the viewpoint. So how to put your camera to the very best, very interesting viewpoint, and how to arrange the very best orientation about your camera does really matter a lot. And in the future of the behind-the-scenes movie series, I'm gonna update lots of post-process tips and tricks in the behind-the-scenes movie series. So keep watching, and I will see you in my next video.